find her. I eat it and beat it, you running, you know I don't fight fair. No. Oh, I love it when you whine on me like.
I have to say, I'm quite embarrassed by this little piece that's like flapping. It's broke. I have to get it fixed. And I'm dark and you can't even see me, so. Every time I get in the car, I forget to fix it. But anyway, it's a maintenance vlog. I done got my nails done, which I actually don't like. Hell, I picked it out. I don't know. I don't think I like the black. I don't know. But she did it right. And this one broke off the first night. The bow. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing. I feel like I was pulling my pants up or something. Because I remember like messing from behind. And either way, that's fine. But that's the nails. They're not ugly. It's just I should have got the other picture. I had two. So next time, go with your first instinct. So I'm about to get my eyebrows waxed, threaded. Ooh, is there any? Fuck. No, I'm going right here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I wasn't gonna get in handicap, but I am. I ain't gonna lie. I am. Ooh, okay, yeah. So we here. Hopefully nobody's here because I actually got an appointment at 4:30, and it's 3:38. It's 3:38. So yeah, let's run in here right quick. Pretty good. How you been? hope it was recording. Which I feel like it was leaning. I'll see when I edit the video. So now we better I think we about to head to my wax appointment. Yeah. And you can't see me. Alright.
Then you won't get spoken to. People only see you when you up, then they notice you. Trying to be a legend, create lines is quotable. Only the real shall last, and I only know a few. People when they feelings always acting emotional. Ain't about a check, then it ain't negotiable. Gotta show respect to the people that's posting you. Soon to be on posters posted up like the older dudes.
Now we aging like fine wine, how we supposed to do. Peep the shade on the timelines, this time posted cool. Shit is black and white like photos from a disposable. Certain situations you ain't end up uncontrollable. All up in their head, I be so confused. I just brush it off, peep the shoulder moves. We all got the same 24, so it's no excuse, switch it up. We could rap or produce, the things you can't have is forbidden fruit.
It seems like people love telling lies on me. They know that I'm the one, they got their eyes on me. They know I'm here to stay, yeah, and I won't leave. We do this for the fans, for your eyes only.
This was the part where we but I couldn't find no good parties. So my God, my God. You can find a good party, you said?
People fidgety, that's why they can't sit with me. They all full of bigotry, puffing on they nicotine. Nigga, please never let another man belittle me or take away my liberty and search for positivity. It seems like people love telling lies on me. They know that I'm the one, they got their eyes on me. They know I'm here to stay, yeah, and I won't leave. We do this for the fans, for your eyes only. Just watch closely, bet they all gon' see. They don't fuck with us, but they still gon' pray. Don't talk to me, man, you gotta show me. If it ain't ISO, then it ain't Indies, yeah.
Y'all, I think the foot, damn, my hair look dry. I think the footage of me getting my chin waxed is not a good one because she had a light and it kind of made everything around it dark. So, and my camera is overheating, which it never did. But I had it close to that light too, so I ain't feel the heat on the light, but apparently my camera did. So yeah, but now I'm finished. I'm about to get something to eat. And I don't know what next. I need to get my hair done, but I don't know how that's gonna go. Cause I had an appointment and I don't even worry about it. But yeah. But maybe this is the end of the vlog. I mean, there's nothing else I can. My hair, I don't know when I'm getting that done. Probably another week or two. Yeah, cause I'm gonna probably keep this in another week. And I don't know, y'all. Dang. So if it's the end of the vlog, I'll come back and check in. My chin feel. Oh my God, that wax was so. Oh my God. That wax wasn't no joke. Especially on them lips. Especially on them lips. This do look clean. I might keep getting my chin waxed and then just try to get rid of the dark marks right now. So yeah. But if this is the end of the video, thank y'all for watching. I know it was a short one. I didn't get too much done. I can't even talk. Get too much done, but the next one I'm trying to get better. I'm getting better at recording in public. She said I could record, so that was good. Miss Brandy always let me record. So yeah. So that's it. I will catch y'all in the next video. When would that be? Who knows? I'm not going to say when it is because I don't know myself. But like I said, I'm trying to get better at that. Stop being so shy. I don't even think I'm shy. I'm just, I think it's nerves because I don't think I'm shy. So yeah, let me get something to eat. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a little B-roll of me getting some food, and then we're gonna walk this thing on out. Oh, and ain't nobody in line. Yo, fat ass. Ain't nobody in line. Like nobody. So we should be good. Why you smiling and stuff, ma'am? Can you get your wait? Whoa. Yeah, let me get that. Okay, cutie. Okay, cutie. Is it closed? Oh no, it's not closed. Okay. He in the way like he won't get hit. He can. I know you cute and all, but.
Thank you for choosing Zaxby's. How may I help you?
How you doing? Can I get your big Zax snack meal? Okay, I'm paying with Apple Pay.
I don't understand how that can make. You look like a goddess. You got me mesmerized just by your body. Here, spread your wings and take off like.